Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Okay, then me too.
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want.
Watch out! No!
As crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought...
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blowing a top.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Share it right there. In the hood,
No,
right
no.
there.
I'm starting to think he knowed you was gonna cry. Just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Unstoppable.
Well, you'll overlook Lightning McQueen.
My way.
No, you are not winning this.
Ah, you're angry.
I am not angry.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
I'm gonna make you scream!
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was. Hey! Vito!
Heard about it before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're
Thanks, guys. Nice paint, kiddo.
Oh, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
A drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Oh boy! Francesco's brought to a screeching halt! Lightning McQueen is the first to take.
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Old timers like this guy.
Right. Storm achieves his top.
Wow, that was vivid and specific. And exactly why I need you. Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Boy, I said some things during our fight.
You know, back when Guido Luigi used to work for